It is so crispy. Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to share with you the simple technique how to make Siew Yoke or crispy pork belly with air fryer. So I have here about 1.7 kilos of pork belly. So I cut it into 2 pieces, just the size that I can put it in the air fryer. So I have already washed and cleaned, remove all the hair from the pork belly, from the skin nicely. And I'm going to start off with cooking the skin first. So we're going to put in the pork belly, the skin at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to cook it like that, arrange it nicely. So now we're going to put in the water. When putting in the water, just cover the skin is enough. So I'm going to cover the lid and bring it to boil. Once it's boiled, I'm just going to continue to boil it for about 15 to 20 minutes. When boiling like this, from time to time we need to come and take a look because the skin tend to stuck at the bottom of the pan. So just need to remove it up a little bit. Just allow the water to go in underneath there. Just another few more minutes. Okay, with the skin up like that. Just gonna rest here for about 5 minutes. Alright, after 5 minutes, it's slightly cooled down. So now it's going to put the skin down here. And now we're going to use this pin needles to poke through the skin and make a hole. Alright, I have made a hole through all the skin, the pork belly skin, both of them, see? Really a lot of hole here. So now we're going to marinate the pork belly with salt. And pepper. And this to marinate all over. Give a little bit saltiness taste to the pork belly. So marinating the pork, I use about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. If you want to put more salt, you can do so. This is pepper. And if you want, you can also put 5 spice powder. So I just put a little bit of 5 spice powder. Okay. We're gonna make a cut on top here for easy to cut later on. Just like that. Okay, so I'm going to do the same for this one. The inside meat is not really 100% cooked yet, but it's okay. Now if you want, you can marinate the meat inside here, in the cut here, with salt. For me, I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, and alright, we have our pork belly marinated, so I'm going to put it aside here. And I'm going to pour a vinegar into a glass plate, glass bowl. Alright, for vinegar, it's best to use the glass container like this. So now I'm going to put in the pork's belly, turn it upside down. So we're going to soak the pork skin with vinegar. Alright, so in this container I can only soak one, and I'm going to get another container. This one, just put it here and pour the vinegar in it. No need to put so much, just that it can cover the skin. So we're gonna leave it to soak here for about 15 minutes. Now both of the pork belly has already soaked in the vinegar for 15 minutes. So I'm going to take it out and put it in the air fryer. Okay. Set the temperature for 200 maximum heat, and then put for 30 minutes. And for this one, we're going to pour out the vinegar. No need to soak it anymore, just leave it unsoaked. In between, we need to take out the meat and check. And if it's too much oil, you need to take it out. Just like that. See? I'm gonna put it back. Because if we don't remove the oil, right, it's going to develop a lot of smoke. So off and on, I just take it out and remove the oil. So I'm gonna continue to cook until 30 minutes. If it's still not enough crispy, you can add on for another 5 to 10 minutes. Hi Haru! What's up Haru? Hi, Saya is here too. Okay, sit down, sit down, sit down. Okay, Saya, sit down. Okay, good girl. Alright, time's up. Altogether, I cook it for 40 minutes. Wow, look at that. Okay, we're gonna put it here. Wow, nice crispy pork belly. It's very hot. Look at that. At the bottom is cooked perfectly, inside out. Okay, I'm going to leave it here while I'm cooking another piece. See how crispy is it? All right, let's cut it. See, the inside of the pork is nicely cooked. Now we're going to cut it. It's very crispy. Look at that. The meat cooked perfectly. Just gonna take this piece. Look at that. This is best to eat with the chili dip that I have made. I'll share the link also down below this video. Let's eat. I'm gonna try it without chili dip first. The skin is so crispy. The meat is delicious and juicy, very tender. Now I want to try it with the chili dip. Like that. This is spicy chili dip. Look at that. Oh. It is so good to eat to eat together with the chili dip. The already very tasty and delicious fried meat dipped in the spicy, sour, sweet and salty sauce. It goes so well together. Lovely. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye. So I'm gonna take the salad, put a piece of meat, a little bit of chili, a little bit of tomato, and a little bit of cucumber. Maybe I just take a bit more chili and wrap it.